Welcome, and it's time for another Mount Vernon Library Commons update. I'm Isaac Huffman, the library director, and I'm here with Julie Blazek from HKP. So Julie, one of the big buzzwords of this project is Passive House, but can you tell us why this is actually awesome?
Yeah, Passive House is a really incredible way to reduce energy in buildings, over 70% to 80% in some buildings. We insulate it really well, and then we provide fresh air constantly. So we have a really energy efficient building that's more comfortable to be in. It's got better acoustical performance, and it's got better thermal comfort. So it's a really important way for us to drive down our energy use and reduce our impacts to the climate.
Yeah.
So we have to do a blower door test for any commercial or residential building to pass the energy code, pressurize the building, and test to see how much air leakage there is. And for the state energy code, you have to meet a rating of about 0.25. Because we're doing Passive House, that rating is about 5 times greater. So our marker is 0.06 air leakage, that's CFM, and we passed the first time through, which is pretty extraordinary because it takes a lot of effort, and all of the trades had to take a lot of care and a lot of extra time to really make sure they sealed up all those penetrations and gaps so that we could pass the test the first time. So
Yeah.
Super excited.
Another thing that I noticed that got assembled was the northwest stairwell.
Yeah, so the stairs themselves are precast sections that were made in Spokane, and they had to erect and frame those stair towers separately and get the brick all in there before the stairs. And then they brought them over from Spokane, lifted them in place over the top, and dropped them down into the stairwells and welded them in place. The west stair was done last week, and they'll be doing the east stair in a week or so.
Awesome. They were like human Legos, I really
Yes.
felt like. In their
Erection set.
Yeah. What kind of work is ahead in the next month?
Well, they'll be doing a lot of finished work inside. You can see a lot of drywall is going up and taping. These walls right here will be finished with wood paneling. They're going to be doing polished concrete floors, ceramic tile, carpeting as they continue to wrap up the outside as well.
And it doesn't look very beautiful at the moment, but actually a lot of care has been put into the materials. Is that correct?
That is correct. We have chosen things that have natural material and not a lot of toxic things, so your patrons will be nice and healthy in here.
Mm-hmm. Of course, one of the healthy features that people always care about is the colors.
Right.
Is it going to have a nice kind of color and a cool environment?
Yeah, we tried to stay with really natural colors because they tend to keep their style over the life of the building and they don't trend in and out. So there'll be a nice base of natural warm colors.
Oh, that will be wonderful. Bringing the outside in always makes things a little better in the right way. Not
That's right.
the leaking outside air, but actually having a warm and inviting space. Bye for now.